Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Peabody. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Peabody Museum of Natural History is located on the campus of Yale University. Peabody typically refers to a last name, a place name, or an institution named after philanthropist George Peabody, such as the Peabody Hotel or Peabody. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.